Look, Kiki! There's a cute tadpole! The tadpole is gone!
Where's the tadpole? Let's check it out.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet! Activate!
Let's check out what this is.
Round belly. Big mouth. Strong hind legs. Short front legs. Frog. Frogs undergo a complete metamorphosis. Tadpoles are the larvae of frogs, and they turn into frogs when growing up.
The tadpole is turned into a frog. You're right. Tadpoles are the larvae of frogs. As the tadpole turns into a frog, it grows hind legs first, followed by front legs. Then its tail starts to disappear. And finally, the tadpole becomes a frog. The frog can sing like this.
Croak, 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 croak.
That's not correct.
What's wrong?
The frog sings with its mouth shut.
Let me give it a try. I can't do it.
Kids, do you know how a frog makes sounds? A. Use a recorder. B. Use the vocal sac in its mouth. C. Slap its hands on water. That's
You
right.
are right.
The frog has a vocal sac that likes a balloon in its mouth. The frog pumps air into the vocal sac that can vibrate and make a loud sound.
Ah, I see. The frog puffs up its mouth to sing. Frogs are amazing singers.
It is also an expert at catching insects.
Wah!
Let's check it out. The frog has caught many insects. You're great! Quacky, what have you learned about the frog?
Oh, the tadpoles turn into frogs when growing up. A frog can make sounds without opening its mouth. A frog catches insects with its tongue.
You're right. Which medal should the camel get? Medal for Overlord of the Sky. Medal for Master of Invisibility. Medal for Master of Transformation. Medal for Master of Transformation.
The little round tadpole is turned into a frog with 4 legs. The medal for Master of Transformation goes to the frog.
Good job. Let's get some practice. Let's check out which box a frog is in. Frog. 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 Let's complete the animal puzzle.
sleep. Tadpole. Tadpoles turn into frogs when growing up.